Knees. We all have them. Some of them work better than others. You might be the squeaker, the creaker, the popper, the groaner, and you've tried every treatment around. An active life can take a big toll, and knee pain can severely impact your quality of life. In the United States, 2 out of 5 people over the age of 35 suffer from chronic knee pain. But you don't have to live with knee pain. Introducing the Revive Knee Plus, the world's first knee-specific light therapy device designed to help dial back the clock on your knees and put the spring back in your step. This isn't science fiction, but it does involve lasers. The Revive Knee Plus features next-generation lasers, which provide better penetration to joints and muscles compared to LED-only therapy. With its modular design, it's small, portable, and easy to use. Use it hands-free and cable-free. The magnetic bands are easy to connect and stay secure. Accurately target pain and inflammation for fast, effective relief. We're working with world-leading scientists and doctors to bring clinical-level, next-generation laser technology to the comfort of your own home. Revive's dream team of medically trained specialists work daily to keep athletes on the field, the U.S. Army and Navy in optimal performance, and weekend warrior CrossFitters in action. So stop being the creaker, the groaner, the moaner, and get back to moving with ease.
We know the consumer-level products that are in the market right now. We understand that technology inside and out, and we've chosen to take a different fork in the road and deliver a clinical-level device at a price that you can use in your home.
We've spoken to hundreds of people who are all suffering from chronic pain, mainly knee pain. And these people are not asking to be able to go running Mount Everest tomorrow. They're asking for help to reduce their knee pain today. Just get going, get active again. We have already completed prototypes and we're now raising funds for tooling and mass production to help people with knee pain get back on their feet.
One of the main reasons we're launching through Indiegogo is to build a community around this where we interact with other users like ourselves. With your support, we can bring a clinical level device to market at a consumer level price.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.